Welcome to Dave's Minecraft Storage Solutions. Today we're going to be putting together the bulk item storage silo, and you can find what you need in this bits box. And if you don't have a bits box, the list can be found on screen and in the description. We're going to start with a 2x5 area, and this design is tileable so you can place it side by side with no issues. You want to begin by putting a barrel on the left hand side, and then we're going to be building up with some building blocks up 6, and on top of the barrel we're going to be placing 6 redstone lamps. So let's do that now really quickly. Up 6, 5, 6 and 6, and then we're just going to drop back down here. Now we're going to go to the back of the barrel, and into the barrel we're going to place 3 hoppers just like so. Now on top of this end hopper we want a chest hanging off just like that, and a hopper leading into the front of the chest part like this. Now this is important for later on, and we will go into that in a minute, but we're now going to go up in a stack in a similar fashion, chests on top of the hoppers with a hopper pointing into the front half of that double chest, just like this, all the way to the top, like so. Absolutely perfect. Now we're just going to drop back down here, and on the side with the lamps here, with the redstone lamps, we're going to place a building block on every second lamp, just like that. And on the opposite, we are going to place in line with this 2. So what we'll do at this first chest point, we're placing a comparator, and this is going to detect the signal for there being items in this chest which will light up our lamp, so we will know at what point of our storage is at. Now for this side we need to place the comparator testing the chest and a redstone repeater so that we're putting the signal into this particular block here. Then all we need to do, keep going up, is shift, place onto the comparators, because when we're shifting, we're not going to switch it out of being in that detection mode. It won't go to subtraction. And then just up there, repeater, and repeat like this. Comparator, repeater. I've got too much stuff. Have I got too much stuff? I've got too much stuff, but that's okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your bulk storage system. That will tell you when your chests are getting full, at what level they are at. Each one will represent a double chest and the hoppers. And I've got here just a really quick numbers. Between barrel chests and hoppers, we will get 396 stacks, which is 25,344 items in 64 item stacks. Now that, should you need more than that, is actually going to be expandable. And I'll just quickly pop into creative here to pick up the things that we need to show how to make that expandable. We just need some additional hoppers, and we need some chests. And all you need to do to make that expandable is pop a hopper onto the back of each of these chests back here. And then we follow the same principle going up. So we're going to put a double chest there, double chest there, not there, double chest here, etc. And then hoppers leading into each of the chests from each other, just like that. And by adding just those additional 2 blocks here, so we've gone out to 7, we're going to be able to add another another 5 double chests. So this can go back pretty much infinitely if you really want. Well, not infinitely, because there's a chunk loading issue, but or entity loading issue, and chests in Java are considered entities. But you could go back and you could expand your storage system just by doing that. And what that will do is it will force feed in from the backs of the chests, as well as it will feed in downwards into the chest. So it will prefer forwards, where possible, but downwards where not. So it will not mess up this lighting here. And because the redstone won't interact side by side because of the way that we have it, you can tile it side by side. And that is how to create the bulk storage silo with the barrel at the bottom so that you have easy access to all of your items and they will always flow down into that barrel, keeping it full up. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing if you haven't already. Come and check out my channel on the Mindsomnia SMP server where we get up to a few shenanigans and I will be selling these boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.